Yes guys, it's that time of year where it's absolutely freezing outside and everybody's car batteries start dying. So today we've got our Ferrari F355. I'm going to show you how to charge the battery without having to take the front wheel off, because normally the battery lives up inside there. It's got 5 bolts and you can obviously get in there to remove the battery. When you jump in and you try and start it, you've got the usual nothing. So what we're going to do is show you how to easily charge your Ferrari F355 without having to take the wheel off. So first things first, we're going to need to get to the terminals under here, which is obviously the main battery feed to the engine bay, and there's obviously an earth point as well in there. So first thing you need to do is take off the 3 5mm hex bolts, which are right there. Here's one I made earlier, and inside you've got your positive main feed battery from the battery that comes all the way up the car and obviously terminates here, and that's where you plug in all your starter motor and all that sort of stuff, the main feed. Then you've got your earth strap here as well. So what we're going to do is plug in our battery charger, clip it up, make sure it's charging. Now as you can see, we've got some other cool cars in here, some cool Astons. They're obviously already plugged in, maintained, but the Ferrari has actually never needed to be plugged in and maintained. The battery's quite old, I think, so we're going to go for this one for now, and then we're going to get obviously a maintainer and hardwire that in so it's easy on the plug. So what we'll do now is we'll grab our terminals, we'll put this in a good place. Make sure you protect your paintwork with a nice piece of cloth. Drag it in, connect this up to your positive terminals right there, and obviously your negative side goes straight to the earth strap right next to it. Give it a nice little rough up just so we've got a good connection, and then we can turn it on, and as you can see, our battery is now charging. So what you need to do is leave that a few days, maybe even a day, it'll be all right, and your Ferrari will be nice and charged. So yeah, that was just a super quick video, show you how to charge your Ferrari without having to take the wheel off, and yeah, you should be good to go as long as your battery's all right. See you on the next one.